Good afternoon from the corner of Anaheim Street and Redondo Avenue here in the city of Long Beach, California. I'm LJ with today's food adventure stop. Are you ready for today's food adventure? Let's go. Here in the heart of Long Beach, California, you'll find Pho Hong Phat, one of my favorite places to go for Vietnamese style pho. Now, I was introduced to this place almost 20 years ago by a Cambodian friend, and this place is actually owned by Cambodians, the nicest, sweetest people you've ever met. And since I'm a regular, they kind of know what I already want. So, the spices in here are a little different from your traditional Vietnamese style of pho. It tends to go a little heavy-handed on the star anise and cloves, and it might be a little MSGE as well. I don't really know, but what I do know is it's really good. There's no wrong way to eat this. Choose your flavor, whether you want it a little sweet and add a little sugar, some satay oil, fish sauce, soy sauce, sriracha, or hoisin, it's available for you. But what you have here is a delicious sesame-coated fried bread known as bun Tues. There's also the other types of batons known as the chow wai, and I know I'm not saying it right with my accent, I apologize, but it's delicious. Look at that steam coming out of there. These are freshly fried now. They used to get them delivered, but here they actually make them fresh in-house now. They're awesome. And again, just like your pho, there's really no wrong way to eat this. You can eat it by itself as like a side dish or a dessert, or you can also dip it into your soup if you want. To me, Pho Hong Phat is sort of like that old 80s sitcom Cheers, where everybody knows your name. I always get the piping hot, large bowl of chicken pho, and it's sliced paper thin and it falls apart in your mouth. It's accompanied by cilantro, onions, and green onions, also known as scallions. I like to tear up some of the green fresh basil and add in some bean sprouts. It also comes with jalapenos, but I'm not really a fan. And a little spritz of lime to top it off, but this is where I go a little crazy. So tell me in the comments below, how do you like your pho? Do you like it with a little bit of spice, a little bit of sriracha? For me, I go super heavy-handed, and I love lots of spice. So this here is the satay oil, or chili oil, and it's a mix of different spices and peppers and maybe shallots and garlic. I don't know, whatever it is, it's made in-house and it's really good. And last, just a touch of hoisin. And last but not least, you gotta do a little mixy action to get all those spices and flavors blended together to all of this deliciousness in a piping hot bowl. Oh, so good. So hey, I'm LJ with today's food adventure stop here from Long Beach, California from Pho Hong Phat. Hey, if you like today's adventure, give it a nice like and thumbs up. It helps promote this video from more people like you from throughout the world. And if you're new to my channel, welcome, click subscribe, and we'll see you on the next adventure. Bye everyone!